Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing interference. Close Roblox and any launcher, then open Task Manager and end related processes you see. Once done, make sure Windows and your GPU driver are up to date so compatibility issues are removed. Next, disable overlays from Discord and GeForce Experience because they commonly trigger sudden crashes. You do these steps now to eliminate the simplest causes and prepare the system. This prevents wasted time on deeper fixes if a basic conflict was the culprit. Now you verify core files and permissions. Run the app repair or reinstall Roblox to replace corrupt files that cause auto-closing. Once reinstalled, right-click the Roblox executable, set Run as administrator, and try compatibility for Windows 10 to fix permission and legacy issues. Then clear the Roblox cache by navigating to %localappdata%bic/Roblox and removing temporary folders to force fresh downloads. Make sure to reboot after these changes so file and permission updates take effect before testing the game again. Finish by isolating the environment. Try running Roblox from a clean Windows account or use safe mode with networking to see if user settings or other apps cause the auto-close. If it works in that environment, uninstall recent overlays or utilities added before the crashes began. If the problem persists, open Event Viewer and record the exact error code and faulting module so you have precise info for support or forums. One tip: if Event Viewer shows an DLL, reinstall that driver or library first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.